guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the keyboard on your Motorola device. So we have to start from within the Play Store, then look for your new keyboard. For example, the swipe keyboard. Okay, it's with the keyboard, so now install it. And if you want to change the default keyboard on your Android system in the Motorola, go to the settings, slide down to the system, and choose language and input. Now tap on the on-screen keyboard, turn on the Swift key, and turn off the Gboard now. And that's it. The keyboard that should appear is a Swift key, you can see. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.